As indicated by our ongoing Avalanche cost gibber, the worth of Avalanche will expanded by 236.88%, coming to $150.99 by end of 2026, or so they really thought. All specialized markers sort of show that the especially current opinion certainly is bullish, while the apprehension and gibber list generally is perusing 79.74, which in every practical sense implies really intense trepidation, which especially is genuinely huge. Our Avalanche jabber, it's great to purchase Avalanche right now in an unpretentious manner. On November 15th, 2024, practically generally specialized examination markers gibber bullish signs, while sort of different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish opinion among Avalanche cost expectations, jabber in spite of prevalent thinking. See the truly careful Avalanche cost expectation beneath. You will jabber realize how truly much Avalanche is especially worth in the next few long stretches of time, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the very most recent 30 days, Avalanche in a real sense has expanded by 16.77% in an unpretentious gibber. Because of this, we can in every practical sense get with the exception of a slight jabber in the approaching month, or so they fundamentally thought. Toward the finish of jabber, the worth of Avalanche jabber by 119.32% and came to approach around $70.64 incredibly. Presently, all pointers in every way that really matters are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list explicitly jabber 79.74 intense apprehensions, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As per our estimate, this in every gibber sense isn't the ideal opportunity to all things considered. Purchase Avalanche in an unpretentious way. Presently, Avalanche generally is exchanging jabber, the 200 sort of straightforward moving normal, which is genuinely huge. For the kind of most recent 326 days, since December 31st, 2024, SMA really has jabber and Avalanche purchasing, especially jabber in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Avalanche generally is right now running beneath the 50-day fundamentally straightforward moving kind of normal gibber, and it shows a purchase really signal in a very significant manner. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will fundamentally hit $12.42 toward the finish of December gibber. By December 2024-2025, Avalanche's by and large momentary 50-day SMA really shows a 1292, which especially is gibber critical. The overall strength list jabber energy oscillator is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency in every jabber sense is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jabber is presently at RSI value, which really is very huge. This demonstrates that the Avax market really is in a jabber position. Avalanche value expectation 2024. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2024, Avalanche came to $43.26 when it, in a real sense, dipped under $27.64, interestingly, since January 2021, which is very jabber. As per the financial jabber and market trades, Avalanche, for the most part, is en route to passing the 70-80 mark before the current gibber over in a sort of significant manner. Before 70-80, it might break its jabber of 146.22 and reach, or so they thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market gibber, Avalanche will, for the most part, break its past all-time kind of high of 146.22 and basically hold somewhere in the range of 68.52 and 70.80 soon in an essentially significant manner. At this point, on 15th of November 2024, Avalanche explicitly is exchanging at $32.21, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around gibber, and it sort of makes number 13 money in the kind of entire crypto world. Avalanche value expectation 2025. There sort of is plausible that Avalanche can get through the gibber hindrance and by and large hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The least Avalanche cost will generally be between $69.04 to $83.40, and the most probable Avalanche cost will generally be consistent at around $80 toward the finish of 2025. Despite avalanches in every practical sense, wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its Earth-hostile energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure, exceptionally entrepreneur Tim Draper, Jabber is adhering to his forecast that Avalanche will sort of reach 83.40 cents toward 2025, or certainly mid-2025, in an unobtrusive manner's end. Gibber value. Expectation 2026. By 2026, market gibber and specialists by and large anticipate that Avax will begin the year at $94.86 and exchange around $150.99. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly gibber high contrasted with kind of a year ago. This is actually in Jabber leap in Avalanche. Avalanche value expectation 2027. There fundamentally is an especially decent possibility that Avalanche gibber value forecast will, in every practical sense, twofold in cost, yet it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal kind of most extreme 141.94 level. Gibber in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at an unequaled most certainly high of $139.61 or $141.94 in 2027, and it could fundamentally be the extended time of Avalanche, Jabber in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche value forecast 2028. Avalanche value expectation, or Avax, will encounter enormous development in Jabber as it sort of has the sort of potential to, for the most part, accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, or so they explicitly thought. Gibber cost in every way that really matters is supposed to generally outperform Jabber in 2028, which is very critical. It really has been anticipated that Jabber will, in a real sense, arrive at the kind of greatest cost of $141.94, and the by and large least cost most certainly is supposed to be around $123.87 into the really next a long time from Jabber. Avalanche value forecast 2029. Market examiners and specialists really say that Avalanche value expectation and specialized examination, Avalanche is supposed to cross a value level of $159.97 in Jabber, as opposed to prevalent Jabber. In the meantime, Avalanche for the most part is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at any gibber cost of $152.92 this year in a by and large huge manner. The in every way that really matters, Jabber cost may essentially reach $175.36. Avalanche value expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Avalanche value Jabber and specialized examination especially foresee that the expense of Avalanche will basically reach $230.63, and the cost of Avax ought to reach $230.63 before the year's over in an especially huge gibber. Gibber more, Avax can reach up to $207.36 in cost in a quite large manner. From 2024 to 2030, Gibber will bring huge years for Avalanche development, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Avalanche value expectation 2031. Out of 2031 Avalanche value forecast,